Hey there, book lovers. Welcome back to our channel, withThe Reads. Today, we're diving into a classic that you don't want to miss, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C.Bogle. If you're anything like me, you've had your fair share of investing ups and downs, and you might be looking for a simple yet effective strategy to navigate the market. Well, look no further than this little gem of a book, written by none other than John C.Bogle, the founder of Vanguard. This book is not only insightful, but also inspiring. Bogle shares his wisdom on investing in a straightforward and easy-to-understand manner. He emphasizes the importance of keeping things simple and focuses on long-term returns rather than short-term gains. What I love about this book is how it debunks common investment myths and emphasizes the importance of index funds over active management. It's a quick read, but packed with valuable information that will transform your investment strategy for the better. So, if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, grab a copy of The Little Book of Common Sense Investing and start implementing Bogle's strategies today. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful book reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing.